Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reassemble the rear upper link. It's a very simple task, but before you watch this video, please check this one. It will show you the basic information of the RC car maintenance. So let's move and start with step number 1. So for step number 1, you need to take away this whole screw. Okay, remember, now you have the drive shaft in your hand, don't forget to put it back in. If you only want to replace the drive shaft, here it is. For step number 2, you need to take the inside. You can work your way with the pliers, but this tool will make your life much easier and you won't scratch the nut. So you have your rear link in your hand. The only one more step you can do is take out those bolts from inside. So for step number 3, we will be taking out those bolts from the link. So if your link is broken, you can save the bolts and replace it with the new part. The easiest and most convenient way is of course the shock pliers, when you have this little thingy here, where you can hold the ball, and then just simply squeeze it and the ball will pop out. It's as simple as it is. But the other side is quite more challenging because you have flange on the other side and it won't fit this tool. Of course you can cut it or modify it a little bit, but if you use enough force, if you only place it in here and squeeze it, it will pop out too. So now you have your link in your hand. Now you can replace it or change for the adjustable turnbuckle. The only trick while reassembling it is not to use the same area, the same pin that you use for clicking it out. I like to use the rear one because when you push too hard you will click the pin back in and instantly put it out. So just use this rear area, click it in, and do the same with the second one. So that will be it. The rear upper link is now reassembled. The right side follows exactly same steps. The only thing you need to remember, put back the drive shaft in, because it's probably one of the most annoying mistake that you can do. Subscribe to Team Corrali YouTube channel to see more of those kind of videos. Follow us on our social media at Facebook and Instagram, and of course if you need any help, please contact us via support@corrali.com, and you want to check this car and every car in our lineup, please visit word.corrali.com to check all of the features, photos, videos, and learn more about our amazing chassis. Thank you and see you next time.
Team Corrali, engineered to be the fastest.